Hey there, welcome to TrachitZ. I am Rachit and today we are going to talk about something really important, zPhisher. Now, zPhisher is a tool used in phishing attacks where cybercriminals trick people into giving away their personal information. But don't worry, we are here to understand how it works and how to protect ourselves. So let's dive right in and stay safe online. First of all, open your favorite browser and then search for zPhisher. You will get GitHub link. Open it. After opening it, scroll down and there will be a command that you have to copy in installation section. Copy it and then open terminal. Now paste the command you copied earlier to clone that repository. After cloning is completed, go to that folder using command cd zphisher. After that, you can see I have zphisher.sh. Now you have to type /zphisher.sh to run it. Wait for this process to complete. Now you can see we have many websites available. These all websites are available for phishing using zPhisher. Let me select Facebook this time. After that, select option. So I will be using the first option, traditional login page. We have many templates. And if you want to do this over cloud, I suggest you to use Cloudflare. Just type 02 and then no, we don't want to use this custom port. After this, you will ask if you want to mask URL. It means you want to create URL that look similar to Facebook. So yes, and I'll use Facebook Meta. Now you have 3 URLs. You can share any of those. I will share the last one because it looks a lot more like Facebook and it can trick some people. So just copy it and then send it to your victim. For demo purpose, I'll do it myself. You can see the original Facebook login page is loading, but URL is different. And because it have Facebook in URL, many victims will believe it. Now you just have to type username and the password. I'm typing fake username and password, and when I press login, okay, I logged in and you can see the details. Even if victim didn't log in, then you'll get their IP address whenever they open the link. This is how phishing works. You get the basic idea. Now let me show you. You can use many of these services. You can use any of these websites to make phishing site. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel and don't forget to turn on notification.